swear, I put these screws on clean. 3 minutes later, they're already trashed. I hope they still have my size. I have the next surgery in a minute. Ah, great. My size is still there. Thank you. Oh no, not again! All right, let's do this. Oh great, my size has been restocked. Thank God it's lunchtime.
Carl! Ward 5 is empty again.
All right, better plan 20% more for them in the future.
This can't be real!